Okay, this is our most recent landscaping contract in Rathfarnham. It's a small space, so to give the impression of a larger area and create privacy, we've taken out 20 tonne of soil and lowered the levels down 500 mil. We've used porcelain paving, rendered 4-inch solids for the raised beds, and we've defined the whole area with granite cobbles. Within the cobbles we have lighting to glaze the walls, and we also have lighting within the beds. Central to the door, as you're looking down the garden, we have a water feature with a light behind which looks really well at night. Okay, that's our garden in Rathfarnham. Thank you.